Mama see a work of art, get in my backseat. He be hiding from God, you know that God sees. I'm trying to put my brothers on like packs of white tees. What's the matter, I might tell you if you ask me. Feel like you lost, getting buried inside this casket. I be talking to God, look, since start fasting.
What's up, boys? Before the video starts, I'm gonna just do an intro because I didn't really do an intro. Let me just show you guys before too. Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Okay, that's enough, boys. That's enough. Don't roast me too hard. Don't be mean, bro, please. But boys, I was just cutting my hair normally, trying to get myself a soft cut. I was doing the taper in the back. I messed up a little bit, but like I could have still like pulled it off, you know, and like just rocked it like that. But then I was just looking at myself in the mirror and I was like, fuck it, and I just went bald, bruh. And I didn't record it because I didn't even think I was gonna do it, so I was like, fuck it. But like, I actually kind of like it, to be honest. It's not too bad. It's definitely funny though, because like I had like a full set of hair and now I'm bald. Like, what the fuck? But just enjoy the boys' reactions. They weren't even too. I thought they were gonna. I'm not gonna say nothing. Just watch the boys. Make sure if you're new, like, comment, subscribe. You already know. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Boys, I just went bald. Ew. Oh hell no, this looks gross. I'm gonna call the boys though. See what the reaction. First, just start with Ramon. Oh wait, I need my hat. Hey, hello? Can you see me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you hear me?
Wait. Yeah.
Look at the guard I went. Oh hell no! Oh hell no!
Why? Why would
it? What are you thinking, bro? It looks sick. It looks.
Why would you do that? Hella ugly.
Do I look hella cute?
Bro, why? Why? Please tell me why.
I don't know. I was just like, cause I had the beard, so I was like, fuck it. Nah.
Bro, I bet you've been on TikTok seeing that. Shave your head.
No. I actually have it. But I was just cutting my hair, and then I didn't like how I was doing the taper. So then I was like, fuck it. And then I did the first line, and then I was just like, fuck it. I'm gonna go all the way. Wait, don't send it yet, cause I'm gonna call everybody and see the reaction. Wait, don't send the pictures yet, though.
Hey, when your hair gets longer, let me give you a fade. Might as well, you're bald already.
Okay.
Oh my god, bro. You actually get.
Is hella sick or what?
But at least go bald all the way now.
No, what the fuck? Dude, I did no guard. Closed.
Nigga, oh my god.
I kind of like it, to be honest.
I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but just do it even. Like, you see the top has darker spots?
Oh, no, I know. I kind of fucked up a little bit. Nah, I don't care anymore. I'm going to just let it go from here. Because I couldn't see.
I mean, it doesn't look that bad because you have hair on your face, to be honest.
I know. Oh, but imagine I shaved my face, too.
Oh, hell no.
And my eyebrows.
Nah, it doesn't look that bad, to be honest.
I kind of like it, to be honest.
You better be bald forever. Ew!
I'm hella mad. I'm going to call everybody else real quick.
Alright.
See ya. You see, because with the hat, you can't even tell. Oh, shit. Hey.
What
What do you think of my haircut?
nigga, you really called me for that? Let me see. Take the head off. Oh, hell no.
What do you think, bro? What do you think?
Hey, God. What did you do that for?
I don't know, bro. I was just like, fuck it.
Oh, hell no.
How does it look?
It looks good.
Actually, you fuck with it?
Yeah?
I actually kind of like it too, to be honest. It's because I have the beard on.
Oh, hell no. Nigga, when you took off the hat? Oh.
Bro, don't tell nobody yet, because I'm showing them live.
Yeah.
Oh, hell no, bro. What do you think, though, actually?
Nah, it's cool. You just gotta let it up.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Like, line it up, nigga. Look, the fucking lineup is like...
Bro, how am I gonna line this up? There's no hair. If I line it up, I'm gonna be up here.
That's crazy. You were born or what?
Now I was cutting it, and then I didn't like the taper I was doing, so then I was just like, fuck it.
That's cool.
I'm gonna call Misa real quick.
Alright.
Alright, see ya. Hey.
B.
Oh my god. Dude, I had to look at my taper right here.
Oh, hell no. Oh,
What? Well, hell no, what? Did I mess up?
nigga fucked up and he said, fuck, we gotta go bald.
What do you mean?
Oh, hell no, bro. What the...
It looks sick or what? Oh, it looks fucking sick, bro. It's not funny, bro. What you mean? It looks sick, bro. You tripping. I actually kind of like it, to be honest.
Oh, you're hella funny, bro.
Yeah, right there, look hella dumb.
You gotta finish it.
No, I know, I missed
It's
one.
not finished.
Nah, some spots I missed, but I don't care. It's hella hard. I'm just letting it grow now.
And line it up. It looks fun.
Dude, there's nothing to line up.
Yes, you can.
Oh, hell
You
no.
see that?
Nah, if I line it up, I'm gonna fuck it up even worse, bro. I'm gonna be up here and shit. I'm gonna just leave it how it is.
You're hella funny, bro. Oh my god.
Cause with the hat, you can't even tell, to be honest.
You can't.
And so
That's
it's
hella
chilling,
funny,
bro.
though. What the fuck?
It's your turn, bro. You're pretty much there already.
I'm already bald, yeah.
You just gotta go all the way, bro. No guard, just fucking closed
Oh, hell
clippers,
nah,
and you're chilling.
what?
I'm calling everybody right now and just showing them.
Oh, hell, what'd they say?
Fucking Yasa was like, oh hell no, and like he actually said it looked cool though, and then Ramon just hung up right away. Oh no, shit.
Oh my god.
I'm about to call Tony and Robradio and see what they say too.
That shit's so funny, bro.
It feels nice, to be honest, on your hand and shit.
Yeah, it does feel better. It does feel better and you stop getting less acne and other shit, but you don't really have acne, so.
No, my skin's perfect. I don't know what to talk about.
Oh my god. What made you go bald?
Cause now imagine you pull up on me, I'm like, what you say to me, bruh? What you say to me?
Oh,
You're scared. You're scared.
Oh, hell nah.
Hey. Yo, what's up, bro? I look hella mean, bro. Boy, if you don't... What are you doing?
At my house.
You just chilling? Oh no, I just gave myself a haircut and shit. You know what I'm saying? What? What's so funny, bro? What's so funny, bro?
Nigga, you should give yourself the arrow like Avatar.
The arrow, hell no, bro.
Who cut it?
Me?
Right now?
Yes. I just got out the shower. It look hella sick or what?
I fuck with it. I fuck with it.
I actually kind of like it, to be honest.
You just gotta get like little dark spots.
Yeah, I can't see. I can't. It's hard though.
Tell Ricardo to help you.
I'm ready. I don't even care no more. I'm just letting it grow.
Fuck it, huh?
Yeah.
Just keep wearing the hats.
I know with the hat you can't even tell, so it's chilling.
Yeah, I thought you just had a taper.
That's what I'm saying. It's chilling. I was like,
bad.
fuck
Doesn't
it.
look bad.
Nah, I kind of like it, to be honest.
It just looks funny though.
Yeah. When I was doing it, I was like, oh hell no. But then after the shower, I was like, it's not too bad. I rock with it. I rock with it.
It ain't bad. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Robin.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Damn. What were you FaceTiming your girl or what?
Yeah.
What you guys? Huh?
What happened? What you want?
No, I was just saying, Stevie, look at my taper.
Oh, don't tell me you cut it off. Why?
What?
Why?
I don't know, bro. I was just like, fuck it. I went bald.
Why'd you wear balls, bro?
It looks good.
You look kind of funny. I'm gonna roast the fuck out of you.
That's nice. Bro, I just went, cause I was doing the taper and then I was like, oh, fuck it. Cause I fucked up, so I was like, oh, fuck it, I'm gonna go bald. Huh?
That's what Raymond to do it.
Bro, it's just bald. No, cause I wanted to go a little shorter, but then I was like, fuck it.
That shit looks funny.
It looks good though.
I mean, if you keep a hat on, yeah.
If I keep that, oh hell no. I was like, I low-key like it, bro. To be honest,
A straight buzz cut type shit.
it was no guard, no nothing. I just went, just with the clippers by themselves.
What? Why'd you even try to cut your own self? Yeah, I mean your hair.
No, I have before, like little tapers, but like I was like just I don't know. I just wanted to fuck it.
And then you fucked up?
Well, I wasn't really fucking up, but I just was like, should I just go bald? And then I just went bald.
You know how long is it gonna take you to grow your hair back?
Oh shit, I don't know, probably like 4 or 5 months, 6. To where I had it, probably like 6 months to like next year almost, probably. So I'm like, fuck it, you know.
Did you come decent then?
Yeah, I've been calling everybody, but you're the one lagging. But I called them all. I already showed everybody pretty much. Hey, what are you doing?
Taking a shower.
Oh, you're taking a shower? That's why you couldn't answer me, bro?
Yeah.
What the hell?
What happened?
Oh, no, I was just showing you my taper.
This nigga. Oh, damn, this nigga cut all his hair off.
Oh,
It
shit.
doesn't look that bad.
And actually, I kind of like it, to be honest. I look mean, huh? I'm like,
This nigga, maybe a little longer, but
I went full. I just went.
did you do it yourself or like Ramon?
Nah, I just did it myself. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna. Cause I was cutting it myself, and then I was like, I don't care.
Yeah.
I was just like, fuck it, I'm gonna go full ball.
This nigga said,
Yeah. Cause once I did the first line, I couldn't go back. I was like, I almost regretted it, but then I was like, nah, I fuck with it. It's cool.
it looks cool. I like it. It doesn't look that bad.
It looks kind of funny though, huh?
At least your head isn't like a retarded shape.